This is River Ganga flowing right through the heart of Roorkee. But what if I tell you that 200 साल पहले ये नदी यहाँ थी ही नहीं। 1837 में आगरा में एक अकाल आया जिसमें तकरीबन 8 लाख लोगों की जान चली गई। The problem was that while the Doab region between the Ganga and Yamuna rivers was fertile, it was heavily dependent on rain. Any year when the rains would fail, the crops would fail as well, causing a famine. The 1837 famine finally forced the East India Company to devote resources to an underfunded project by a certain Proby Kotle, the Ganga Canal. The idea was simple: tap the Ganga at Haridwar, where it leaves the Himalayas, then use gravity to carry that water southward through a man made channel across the rain dependent Doab, making agriculture possible even when the rain fails. पर जब 1943 में कनाल पर काम शुरू हुआ, Kotle faced a dire shortage of well-trained assistants. His quest for trained engineers finally bore fruit when James Thompson, the Lieutenant Governor of the Northwest Provinces, set up an engineering college right here in Roorkee, the first in Asia. This was the Thompson College of Engineering, or as you might better know it, IIT Roorkee.